All right, welcome back, class. Getting an early start to this one this week. It's only Monday today. Thursday for you, Monday for me. All right, and I think you're gonna find both these sections pretty easy, like you found Tuesday's lesson pretty easy. So, today's section, 10-2, solving inequalities. Let me know, or don't let me know. If it's bad, let me know. I'm using the skinny pens, because my other markers are dying. So hopefully these work. If they're not, tell me that they're not working. Like you can't see them good enough. All right, we did the easy stuff. Where's the hard stuff? Okay. Transitive property. This is like the easy one. If A is less than B and and B is less than C, then A is less than C. That's my duh, obviously. And if C is bigger than B and B is bigger than A, then C is bigger than A. So these are what I call the no duh, also known as transitive property of order. All right, hopefully that seems to make sense. Addition property. Again, this is more like duh. A is less than B. Then A plus C is still less than B plus C. What it's saying, if I add, right, we have A and B. If I add C, the same number to both of them, then this inequality is still true. If I add C to A and add B to C, it's still going to be less than. Not a whole lot to it. I'm not even going to do the other part of that one because that's dumb. Not dumb, but easy, straightforward. Blah, 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 blah. You don't need to know that. Okay. Let's just do an example. So, hopefully you find this easy. M minus 9 less than 2. Okay? Check this out. This is your addition property. Add 9. Look, I added a number to both sides. So, I failed. 11. Whoa. Hard stuff, right? I know. Another example. Where are we at? Right. So I want my x's on this side and everything else on that side. Recycle. 6x minus 4x, 2x, add 3, less than 10, divide by 2, x is less than 5, yo. Now remember, if you were to graph on a number line, this symbol and this symbol get open dot, this symbol, get a closed dot, which means this is included, that answer would not be included. So if I were to graph this one, a lazy man's graph, 5, open dot. You can either shade that way. Some people put an arrow that way. Doesn't really matter, but going that way. Okay. You might have to do some distributing. Excusez-moi, people. So, example again. 2, I'm going to write x because I don't feel like writing w. Greater than or equal to 3, 4 minus x minus 4. Alright, they gave you that to start with. You might need to distribute. Now, I don't know if what comes up in this problem, but hopefully y'all remembered if you divide by a negative, you're going to want to flip the sign. Negative 16 plus 9, terrible at math, minus 7. 12 minus 4 is 8. Man, I am on a roll of not doing good today. Minus 3x. Alright, I'm going to put the 3x over there. So I have 5x. I'm going to add 7 over here. So that I have 15. I'm going to divide by 5. X is greater than or equal to 3. Check your answer to see if you are right. And you are good. So if you were to graph that the lazy man way, put a solid dot and shade that way, the arrow, or make bold. I normally make bold, but it seems like there's a trend of people doing arrow. That's how you do that. Let's see, is there one where we get a negative? I don't see one in here yet. So, unrelated to that. If you get 0 is greater than 8, or 0 is bigger than some positive number, basically if you get something that is obviously false, there might be no solution. If you get something where it's like 5 is greater than or equal to 5, there's a chance you might have infinitely many solutions. This, less common. This, more common. And the last thing, before I set you guys on your merry way, is this right here. Okay? You have to divide by -5, right? Ooh, you remember saying Miami colors. Miami Hurricanes. You have to flip the sign. If you divide or multiply by a negative, you gotta flip the sign. Thank you for flipping the sign. Catch you in the next one.